To mount a Linux partition permanently, you need to know three things. You need to know the path of your partition that you want to mount. You need to know the destination path, and you need to know the file system of your partition. To know the path of your partition, you can use lsblk. And if I want to mount this partition, for example, I can copy this and use the find command in the /dev folder, -name, and we're going to search for that name in /dev folder. And in my case, it's the path of my partition is /dev/mapper/ the name of my partition. This is because it's an LVM partition. Then I want to mount this partition in the data folder into my home directory, which is empty at the moment. So I will create a new folder. Here we go. And now I can edit my fstab file, which is in /etc folder. We're going to add a new line. So the first argument will be the name of the partition we want to mount. The second argument will be the destination. The third argument will be the file system. Then comes the options. We'll leave the default. And you can add 20 at the end. We write and exit. So if we now check which file system are mounted, you can see that it's still not there yet. We're going to reboot. And now if I check again, I can see that my partition is now mounted in my home folder data. So if I have a look, so now I have another problem. You can see that my data folder have the wrong permission. I should have user and user here, so I can change that by sudo ch own, and I will say user, which is my group user, and my group will be here on the data folder -r. And now if I check again, that should be okay. So now I should be able to write into my data folder. So it's empty. Touch test. And it's all working. That's it.